Hello class and welcome to week 10 of ACLT 053 Online. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, you'll be working on the CRJS module or the Criminal Justice module. For this week, you will be having a shortened week because of the Easter holiday. So instead of having the time to work on your work for ACLT 053 on Friday and Saturday, you'll be working on the first part of it, the CRJS discussion post, on Thursday before the holiday, and you'll be working on the reflection right after the holiday on the following Tuesday. So please pay attention to the calendar for this week because of the Easter holiday, Easter Friday, Good Friday, and Easter Monday. All right, so the discussion board post for this week, for the CRJS Week 3 discussion post, has you working on a reflection. So you're going to be reflecting on the readings that you've done in English 101 by Pelez and Ernst and the video by Goffman. How do you connect with the ideas presented in the 3 articles regarding the criminal justice system? How did the information from the articles and the video extend your thinking? What did you learn and how did your thinking change? What challenges and questions do you have after reading the articles and watching the video? Please respond in about 2 to 3 paragraphs, paraphrase any kind of examples from the articles, or you may choose to use direct quotation. Just make sure to provide in-text citation, which would be last name of the author and a page or paragraph number in parentheses at the end. Also, be sure to respond to at least 2 other peers regarding your post. And I forgot to mention, please include a works cited page at the end of your initial post as well. So please respond to 2 peers. And after you come back from the Easter holiday, you will be also working on the reading and writing reflection for Module 3. So what did you used to think and what do you now think? How did you connect, extend, and challenge yourself with this particular topic? What did you see, think, and wonder about this topic? Did anything change? What questions do you still have? Please also respond to at least 2 other peers regarding this. If you are going to use direct quotations, please make sure to use quotation marks. Introduce the quote with a signal phrase having to do with the name of the person, a verb, and a comma, and then your quote. At the end of your quote, provide in-text citation with the last name of the author and the page or paragraph number. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.